Hi, I'm Chef Ricky Moore. Here's an energizing summer salad you can make in minutes. So we have tuna, which has lots of protein. We're gonna add chickpeas. We're gonna add cherry tomatoes, shredded carrot, sliced green onions, chopped celery, fresh chopped parsley, fresh chopped rosemary, and some sliced red and green peppers. Now we want to add black pepper, vinegar, and the oil. And so we want to lightly or gently toss the salad so that all the ingredients are combined. Now this salad is very versatile, as you can eat it as is right now, let it marinate overnight and serve it over greens or even pasta. This is a no-cook summer salad meal.